What it do, YouTube? Back with another one. Another one of them ones. But we gonna forget, get y'all a cold start. Both of the vehicles. We're gonna get the 300. The 300 done. Cranked up for y'all first. Get a cold start on this. So I got Super 10 Flowmasters on 300. Resonator delete. Only thing that's the Cadillac converters and them Super 10s in the back. I would get up under there and show y'all, but not today. But yeah, they gonna cold start on this thing. Baby over here next. Oh yeah, them don't spin though. Going remake on her. Big faces, got to do it. So these finna come off. These got to come off. So yeah, so that's cold start on that one. That's enough of that, man. That's enough of that, man. We're gonna get this boot started. Cold start her for y'all real quick, before I get on up out of here. This shit in an hour. Yeah. Got my son back there doing all that. Where the keys at, short? One second, so you take the charge off. Take the charge off this thing. Alright, YouTube, we're gonna get a cold start on this. Pick this up. Just take y'all with me. You know what I'm saying? Take y'all with me. Check out the gauges and everything. She ain't been drove since the stunner jam though. For real. So yeah. Check me out, YouTube. Hear my son out in there acting a fool. I'm finna quiet him up real quick. Here we go, it's cold start. YouTube. They go to cold starts, both of the whips. They been just sitting here. Ain't been out since the last car show, Stunner Jam. But yeah. Got some more content coming too, man. Like I said, this finna be changed up. These foes that share this lip is coming on. Yeah. That one coming to the channel too, this whole thing right here, man. What y'all know about that? I don't see too many of them, man. I don't know. Broham. Oh yeah. Photo. That's coming to the channel too, man. Y'all look out for that. Check that out. But yeah. I ain't gonna let. I might put these on there, man. What y'all think, YouTube? I'm gonna mount them up and see how it look, man. Cause them coming off. Gotta go big face. Period. Bigger lip. Gotta go. And yeah, man, y'all just stay tuned. Check out the channel. Got some more content coming, you know. Yeah, you know. Stay current, man. I'm gonna keep uploading these videos, man. Y'all tell me what y'all like, what y'all wanna see, what y'all wanna see done to these vehicles, you know. Cause man, you know, I got a lot I still wanna do to it. You know what I'm saying? I ain't finished with this one. Interior still coming together, you know what I'm saying? So they gotta do to finish my doors, and you know, then I'm gonna get it rewrapped and redid. Gonna be a remix coming to this thing. So y'all look out for that. The Cutlass coming to the channel. That thing might, man, look, get my subscribers up, man. That's gonna be a giveaway car. I'm gonna show y'all the build process on that car, man. And we gonna do a raffle or a giveaway on that thing. But only when it's finished, when it's complete. And I got a whole lot of plans, man. It's gonna go down with that thing. Whole lot of plans. Y'all ain't, like no other Cutlass have been done. Trust me. Trust me. Just like I did this one, man. Did this. This was before its time, man. Before its time. You know what I'm saying? That interior, that's been in there for a minute. You know what I'm saying? Front and back. Front and back seats, you know what I'm saying? So, I ain't new to it, you know what I'm saying? I got a lot up here, man. I wanna just get out in reality, put something together, man. And that Cutlass, I think that's gonna be something different that y'all gonna like. And y'all will have a chance to win that bad boy. Trust me, you gonna want it. But like, share, subscribe, you know. Give me that thumbs up, you know what I'm saying? Subscribe to the channel. Peace.